your best and favorite maths channel, Charan Maths Classes. Today, I brought you a special thing. What is that? That's the Vedic Maths series. This is the best series of Vedic Maths ever. Because in this series, I will explain very well and every topic. First, today it's the introduction class. Okay, now let's start. First, we'll see what is Vedic Maths. Actually, if I tell you, Vedic maths is nothing but the fast calculation methods. Means in normal traditional methods, how we'll calculate? Means we'll calculate by taking borrow in subtraction. We'll add in multiplication. We will do column method, sometimes box method, etc. But in Vedic maths, we can do it more quickly. It will be more useful too. In competitive exams, it's very much useful. Okay, first we'll see what is Vedic maths today. Vedic maths was created by Swami Bharati Krishna Tirtha. Swami, okay, it's not coming. I'll type, okay. Swami Bharati Krishna Tirtha. Means he is the creator of the Vedic maths and he wrote a book about it. It's all secondary. Now let's talk about it. There are four Vedas: Rig Veda, Sama Veda, Yajur Veda, and Atharva Veda. So, in which Veda is Vedic maths there? It is in Atharva Veda. So, now let's start. Means the techniques. Okay, now, first we will see the technique named as Nikhilam, navataha, Charamam, Dashatah. Okay, in this technique, we can subtract numbers from base numbers. What are base numbers? Like we can say 10, 20, so not 20, 100, 1000, 10,000, and etc. 1 lakh, 10 lakh, 1 crore, 10 crore, and it will go on for a big list. So we can calculate with these numbers very easily. That is subtraction actually, okay? Not multiplication or division or addition. Subtraction. Now let's start from how to do it. Now if it's a given like 1000 minus if we take 2, 3, 4. This is case 1. Case 1 means there are types, means there are cases for any trick. This is case 1 means number of zeros are equal to number of digits. See here, there are 3 digits, right? 3 zeros. And here there are 3 digits. So this is one case. So in this case, how to perform it? Means in different cases there will be a little different type of tricks. Means a small changes will be applied. Now let's start. Nothing but here. Do you know what is the meaning of Nikhilam navataha Charamam Dashatah? Nikhilam navataha Charamam Dashatah means all from 9 and lost from 10. See, we have means in these number there are 3 digits, right? So we have to subtract every number from 9 and but the last number with 10. So if we take 9 minus 2, which is 7, sorry, 7. 9 minus 3 is 6. And 10 minus 4, as I said, last digit have to be subtracted from 10. 10 minus 4 is 6. Over the subtracted, the difference between 1000 and 234 is 766. See how quickly we can do. Actually I explained, so it took a little bit time, but if you master in subtractions of single digit, then you can do it in 2 seconds only. So try to master in the single digit additions and subtractions, and you have to learn tables till 9 at least, then we can proceed further. Means I will tell you, means in my future classes I will tell you how to learn how to learn 11 to 20 tables, means not 11, 12 to 20 tables in a easy manner. Means if we know 9 tables, then we can do it easily. Okay. Okay, first today's task is you have to learn till 9 tables perfectly. Okay. Now 766. If I take another example, 10,000 minus 3456, it is 3,456. So here the digits and number of zeros are equal, so it's easy to do. We all know what is it. I will explain here that it will be better for you. 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. The first digit is here 3, so I have subtracted 3 from 9. I said all from 9, means 3, 4, 5 have to be subtracted from 9, and 6 have to be subtracted from 10. The meaning of this trick only means all from 9 and lost one from 10. Nikhilam means all from 9. Navataha means 9. Charamam means lost one. Dashatah means from 10. Okay. Okay. 6 and 9 minus 4 is equal to 5, and 9 minus 5 is equal to 4, and 9 minus 6. Is it correct? No, absolutely wrong. Because lost one have to be subtracted from 6. Yes, you guessed it right. 10 minus 6, which is 4. So the answer is 6,544. Let me write it here. 6,544. Okay, this is case 1. Okay, I hope you understood the case 1. Now, what if the number of digits and zeros are not equal? This thing will not work, right? So, what to do then? If we take 10,000 minus 345, here the number of zeros are 4, but the number of digits are 3. So, what to do now? Nothing. If you add 0 here, if you add 0 here, then it will become equal, right? Means if there were 2 digits here, you would have added 2 zeros. Okay, now it will be simple. Nothing. 9 minus 0 is equal to 9. 9, and 9 minus 3 is equal to 6, and 9 minus 4 is equal to 5, and 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. Okay, simple. It's the answer. So this is case 2. Okay, we'll type here case 2. What is the case 2? If number of digits are not equal to the number of zeros. And case 1 here, sorry, case 1 is if number of digits are equal to the number of zeros. Still, there are total 5 cases in this, but in this first class, we cannot go for that much. Then it will be a lot of pressure for you. Okay, now practice these things. I will give 5 problems related to this. Please do that. 10,000 minus 323 and 1,000 minus 234, 1 lakh minus. You think we cannot do with 1 lakh? That's the same procedure. nothing else. Okay, these are the problems. This is the homework. Treat it as homework. Okay, and you may check it in calculator too. It will be correct, and you may see the change. How fast have you done these calculations? If it would have been a traditional method, it would have been taken a lot of time, right? But when it is not like that, it will go faster only. You may check with calculator too. Are these problems right or wrong? Sometimes it may get wrong, means you are now in beginner stage, but if you practice a lot, these are given only for a little bit. You can take still more problems and practice and practice and practice. Then you will master this Nikhilam navataha Charamam Dashatah, case 1 and case 2. In my next video, I will tell there are total 5 cases I told, right? In my next video, I will explain you the remaining 3 cases. Till then, thank you and please subscribe Charan Maths classes for more maths classes like this. NCRT based, Vedic maths and still few more extra topics. Thank you friends.